Four things your personal injury lawyer needs to review. There's so many important documents when it comes to a personal injury claim, but there are some that your lawyer should review as soon as possible. The first are photos and other documents that relate to the MVA. Photos are invaluable. They help a lawyer like me see the scene of the injury and appreciate the surrounding context. It's important that we kind of get our on the ground feel and understand what the incident was and what it looked like in your position at the time. Other photos are important when it comes to explaining the injuries. What's the impact after the personal injury claim, and ultimately how your recovery goes. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. And when it comes to recovery, we can often see developments in what struggles are at home, what you get better at, how bruises change over time. Imagine taking a photo of home equipment that you need to do your everyday activities of daily living. These things are powerful. And if you can express those to your personal injury lawyer through photos, your personal injury lawyer will, one, love you for doing it. And two, that information will help them so much when it comes to advancing and negotiating your claim. The second, when it comes to a personal injury claim, your lawyer needs to review correspondence that you had with the insurance company and any other adjuster or anyone else before you hire the lawyer. For me, it's so important that I understand the full context, everything that happened before the personal injury claim was launched, and any discussions that you may have had with the insurance company beforehand. It's critical that I know the full context so that my strategy, my advice, my whole way of building your personal injury claim is informed, logical, and in your best interests. You may have negotiated your claim or tried to do that before involving legal counsel. If so, I would build that into my strategy, and you want your lawyer to do that too. The next is all about evidence. Number 3 is proof about your injury claim and your losses. Often, financial losses are at issue after a serious personal injury claim. You can bring that supportive information to your lawyer to help him or her understand what went on. So think about it. Tax returns, pay stubs, notes putting you off work, even your bank account showing various expenses and items associated with the personal injury. All of these relate to the claim, and all of these help express the loss. As the saying goes, hurt people get treatment. You can show those expenses through your bank account. You can show your losses by the lack of additional income on your pay stubs. So bring that information in. This helps support the claim, and your personal injury lawyer will want to know. And the fourth relates to the costs that flow from a personal injury incident. When injuries happen, when damage and loss is suffered, people have to pay for that. And it's not just about advancing a personal injury claim for your damages, so your pain and suffering and what will occur in the future, but we have to think about the immediate costs that you did already incur. Think about the little things: Advil, bandages, perhaps a cane or a crutch, or larger items, ongoing travel needs to appointments. Think about the ambulance bill that you may have incurred, or other items that family members may have paid for. Maybe you want to pay them back. Maybe they want to get paid back. All of those are out-of-pocket expenses in my world. And those are important, always part of the claim, and it's important that your lawyer knows about them. But go further. I think about the future for my clients, and that's where I add a lot of value. I'm thinking about the future healthcare expenses, the loss of income, and all of that into the future. This is often forgotten by self-represented litigants. They come and see me and they say, "Jeff, what is my claim worth?" And often they've undervalued, they've lowballed themselves when it comes to their claim. So the more information that you can bring to your free case review with me or whomever you happen to be dealing with, the better. Lawyers want to make informed decisions, and you as a personal injury victim want to ensure that the legal advice that you're receiving is informed on the fullest information. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm a personal injury lawyer and owner of Nova Injury Law. We help personal injury victims every day, and every case begins with a free case review. It's a discussion between you, the lawyer, about everything that's important, and even things that you don't know are important right now. If you want to know what those are, get in touch and we'll answer your questions. I look forward to hearing from you.